it's Megan O. This is another tip in our wealth building series, and we've been talking about once you acquire the property and you're in contract, what do you do? Then after you close, what do you do? And now we're going to talk about our next step is getting it ready. First, you acquired, you closed on the purchase, you renovated the property, and now it's ready to list for sale, or you're gonna lease the property. What do? Well, you don't skip this process. That's a big thing. We don't skip this process. We need to make sure that we prepare the property. If you don't prepare the property for what's next, you're not gonna get off the market quickly. You'll be on the market and you're gonna sit there for a period of time before the property is either sold or leased if you don't prepare the property. What do we do to prepare the property? What does that mean? Number one tip, clean the property. A full clean, like a deep clean. Get a maid service to come in and deep clean that property. It needs to be cleaned top to bottom because you just had contractors in there and they made a mess, and they're messy people. You do not want comments about how dirty that property is. So clean it. It is not going to cost you that much to find a maid service that will clean it. Some contractors even include that. So if you find a contractor that does that, amazing. If not, make sure you clean that property. Some realtors offer cleaning service. It's usually covered in our fees that we take on. So check with us in case you're listing a property with us. The second thing is if you're going to sell it, stage it. Stage it to sell. You need to do that. If you staged the property, you should get what you're looking for in price, and you should get that property off the market quickly because buyers can envision that, oh, there's a kitchen table in that room. Or, you know, we can put a TV in this spot or whatever it might be. Buyers don't actually know how to envision a blank slate. So it's better if you tell them or show them one way that they can envision this property. If you intend to lease the property, you want to just make sure it's clean, put some marketing materials in it about the property, about the neighborhood, just information so that the prospective tenants can understand what is available. So minimum, clean it, stage it, or present it on marketing. And then the third thing is market the heck out of it. If you're doing this FSBO, for sale by owner, you need to market it everywhere. You need to talk it up to everyone in order to get prospective traffic in that property, whether you're selling or you're leasing. If your real estate agent is doing that for you, make sure they are marketing it on all the websites and they are getting it out there into the listing service and into the hands of all the agents who have the buyers. That way you can make sure that you've got enough traffic on that property. Okay, just a quick recap. You've already purchased, you've already renovated, you're getting ready to list or lease. What do? You clean, you stage if you're gonna sell, and you market the heck out of the property. Okay, if you want any more tips, hit up our website and of course subscribe below. See you next time.